Hi, it's Pam again, and welcome back to my channel. This is Pam's Vlog Vibes, and I am Pam. And to all my new subscribers, welcome, welcome. So today, I picked up the camera, and I'm in the bathroom, as you can see, and I am getting some of these units together. I have been wearing them and they are in much need of some tender loving care. So I have here my fabric softener, and I do use shampoo. This is the shampoo I use because when we wear the units, we do sometimes get oil, scalp oil, grease product under there, and so shampoo is the best thing for those type of things. I know some of these are synthetics, like this one. It is a synthetic and it is in much need of some care, but we do put it on our head, and so we do get scalp oil products, and so shampoo is the best for that. And then I use the fabric softener for the synthetic fibers of the hair. So let's get into this. So I'm all done with the wigs. The units are fresh, clean, and ready for it to be used. And so now it's on to, if you looked at the previous video, sometimes when I do yard work, I did not know that the grass sometimes would make grass stains on your shoes, on your clothing. So I do have a pair of shoes that I need to get some stain out. Comment below if you know a very good DIY or a product that I could use to get grass stains out of my tennis shoes, my sneakers, or so forth. So comment below if you got a great idea for that. So before we even get into that, I have something very good for dinner. I can't wait to get into it. Let's check it out. This is what's for dinner. I do have some golden fries with some delicious husk puppies. I do have some catfish, and I love some lemon, nice and fresh and crispy. And don't you love it when we get the coleslaw with it? It is fresh and looking delicious. I love, love, love when they give you plenty of sauce. I love, love, love when you get plenty of tartar sauce. And I love, love, love when you get plenty of hot sauce. So yeah, guys, this is what's for dinner. So let's get into it. So these are the shoes. As you can see, I have the green discoloration right here. It's like greenish, fungus or colors from the grass when I did the grass yard work outside. And so I am going to try to get this off if I can. Are nice and clean and fresh and ready for next week. So it is a done deal. Great job. Great job.